Hi friends, welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss the current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the further notifications. Here I am going to discuss April 24th current affairs. Okay, moving ahead to first question. Name the institute which is the first in the country to carry out plasma research and a trial in review of COVID-19. This was Shri Vallabhbhai Patel Institute of Medical Science and Research. If you talk about this institute, its headquarters located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and it signed MOU with ICMR. What is meant by ICMR? ICMR means Indian Council of Medical Research. Its headquarters located in New Delhi and its Director General is Balram Bhargava. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the Indian state which has launched eSanjeevani ODP recently. It is Himachal Pradesh. The Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh is Jairam Thakur and capitals are Simla. Summer capital is Simla and winter capital is Dharamshala and governor is Bandaru Dattatreya. Himachal Pradesh government has started to use eSanjeevani ODP app through which free online medical consultation and general health advice will be provided to the people at their residence throughout the state from the doctors of different medical colleges from 9:30 am to 4:30 pm on all working days. Moving ahead to next question. Which state government has approved third edition of Sujalam Safalam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan, a conservation plan to deepen water bodies in the state? That is Gujarat. Capital is Gandhinagar and CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani and governor is Acharya Devvrat. This scheme will continue till June 10th with a focus on deepening of lakes, checking dams and rivers by removing slit. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the organization which has released a fourth annual global report on food crisis titled 2020 Global Report on Food Crisis Joint Analysis for Better Decisions. This is WFP, World Food Program. If you talk about World Food Program, it was established in 1961. Headquarters is in Rome, Italy, and executive director is David Beasley. Moving ahead to next question. The United Nations Green Assembly has adopted resolution equitable, efficient and timely access to any future vaccines developed to fight against COVID-19 without any voting. Who is the present Secretary General of UN? He is Antonio Guterres. If you talk about United Nations General Assembly, its president is Tijani Muhammad Bande and headquarters is located in New York, United States, and it is founded in 1945. Moving ahead to next question. Find the Indian badminton player who has been named as one of the ambassadors of Badminton World Federation's BWF I Am Badminton campaign. She is PV Sindhu. If you talk about Badminton World Federation, its headquarters located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, founded in 5th July 1934, and its president is Paul Erik Hoyer Larsen. This is an awareness campaign to provide a platform for the players to express their love and respect for the sports. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Who among the following has been appointed as the president of International Motorcycle Manufacturers Association? He is Rakesh Sharma. If you talk about Bajaj Auto Limited, its headquarters located in Pune, Maharashtra, and chairman is Rahul Bajaj. Moving ahead to next question. Name the person who has won William E. Cobley Award 2020 for his book title Midnight in Chernobyl, the untold story of the world's greatest nuclear disaster. He is Adam Higginbotham, and he has won 5,000 US dollars prize. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar has attended the G20 Extraordinary Agriculture Ministers meeting through video conference. Name the country which is permanent guest invitee of G20 nations. That is Spain. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The central government MOSPI appointed committee suggested a complete restructure of how states collect and compile data for state level gross domestic product GDP and other estimates. Name the person who heads this committee. He is Ravindra H. Doklakia. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Norway topped the World Press Freedom Index 2020 compiled by Paris-based reporters Sans Frontières among 180 countries. What is the rank of India in the index? And its rank is 142. Norway occupies the first rank and its score is 7.84. Next to Norway, Sweden occupies the second rank and its score is 7.93. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the tech giant company which has acquired 9.99% stake in Reliance Jio for rupees 43,575 crores. That is $5.7 billion deal. Answer is Facebook. Facebook headquarters is located in Milano Port, California of United States, and CEO is Mark Zuckerberg. And CEO of Reliance is Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Which municipal corporation has developed Siam mobile app to track home quarantined people? That is Pune. The Pune Municipal Corporation has developed a mobile application called Siam under Smart City Mission to ensure effective monitor of home quarantined citizens who have recently returned from international trips and those who discharged after treatment from coronavirus. And the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Moving ahead to next question. The Technology Department Board TDP under the Department of Science and Technology DST has approved fund for which company for production of COVID-19 diagnostics kit? Answer is MyLab Discovery Solutions. If you talk about Technology Department Board, its chairperson is Ashutosh Sharma and founded in 1996. Union Ministry of Science and Technology is Dr. Harshvardhan. If you talk about MyLab Discovery Solutions, its headquarters located in Lonavala, Maharashtra, and executive director is Shailendra Kawade and co-founder is R.S. Mani. It was founded in 2016. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the Indian institute which has developed magnetic RAM which enables higher data storage and faster computation. It is IIT Mandi. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The researchers at Agarkar Research Institute ARI has developed a biosensor named Bug Sniffer which detects pathogens faster. Where is IRI located? It is located in Pune. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The Tropical Butterfly Conservatory has been developed in which Indian state to create awareness about butterfly and its importance in ecology? It is located in Tamil Nadu. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Ali Reza Firoza, who has beaten Norway's world chess champion Magnus Carlsen in the final of the Banter Bledge Cup 2020, belongs to which country? He belongs to Iran. Currency of Iran is Iranian rial and capital is Tehran. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Ginny Dage, who passed away recently, he is one of the directors of which among the following popular cartoon? Answer is Tom and Jerry. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The theme for 50th edition of Earth Day 2020 is climate action. When was the Earth Day celebrated annually? It was celebrated on April 22nd. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The International Mother's Earth Day 2020 was observed every year on April 22nd. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Noor is the first military satellite of which country? It was the military satellite of Iran. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.